Welcome to our channel Simplifying Complex History. In this video, we cover a significant moment with a clear overview of the event, cause and effect. Join us on a journey exploring the past. Airbnb is an online marketplace that enables individuals to rent out their homes, apartments, and other lodging accommodations to travelers. Founded in 2008 in San Francisco, California, the company quickly gained popularity and now operates in over 220 countries and regions around the world. Airbnb allows travelers to book unique and affordable accommodations that are often more comfortable and convenient than traditional hotel rooms. Users can search for listings based on location, price, amenities, and other factors, and can communicate directly with the host to arrange check-in, payment, and other details. The platform has faced some challenges over the years, including criticism over its impact on local housing markets and concerns about the safety and security of guests. In response, Airbnb has implemented a number of measures, including verifying the identity of hosts and guests, providing liability insurance for hosts, and cooperating with local authorities to enforce regulations. Despite these challenges, Airbnb has continued to grow and evolve, expanding its offerings to include unique experiences and activities hosted by locals, as well as partnerships with hotels and other lodging providers. The company has also embraced sustainability and social responsibility initiatives, such as promoting eco-friendly accommodations and supporting local communities through charitable donations and volunteer programs. Airbnb has had a significant impact on the travel industry, disrupting traditional hotel chains and providing travelers with new and exciting ways to explore the world. The platform has also enabled individuals to earn extra income by renting out their homes, helping to fuel the growth of the sharing economy. Overall, Airbnb's success can be attributed to its innovative business model, user-friendly platform, and commitment to providing a unique and authentic travel experience. As the company continues to grow and evolve, it will likely face new challenges and opportunities, but its impact on the travel industry is sure to be felt for years to come. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos.